Good morning, dear cadet. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss rearrangement. And I know you are accustomed with the name rearrangement from class 6. But the terms, the pattern of rearrangement in class 6 and now in class 9, these are quite different. That is, I will tell you some specific, there is no rule of rearrangement, but what we can do, we can follow some clue. I can give you some clue. Following those clue or following those technique, you can write down the rearrangement or complete the rearrangement as far as it is possible to make it correct. As far correct it is possible, you will make it. So I am going to show you rearrangement. First, see the term, that is rearrangement. Some sentences, it may be an event, a story, or some biography, anything. Some sentences will be given in unarranged way, which will not be arranged, and you will arrange those sentences. You have to read the sentence, you have to find out the sequence of the sentence, and then you will write it down. In that case, though in English first paper class 9 and 10 you have so many things to write down, but still you have to give some time on rearrangement to get some pure mark. It can give you pure mark there. So in that case you have to be quite careful. To make the sequence correctly, you have to read all the sentences. Keep it in your mind, you have to read all the sentences properly and then try to find out the sequence. How will we find out the sequence? I told you earlier that there are some category following which or based on which category the rearrangement or the sentences are given. First, it can be biography. Then it can be any historical event. Historical event, that is any war or any life of any emperor. And then the other thing, it can be a story, any well-known story which we are hearing from the past. Those can be the category of rearrangement. In case of biography, what is biography? What is biography? জীবনী, কারো জীবনী, কোনো বিশিষ্ট মানুষের, কোনো মহৎ মানুষের জীবনী, বিজ্ঞানী, সাহিত্যিক, সমালোচক বা রাষ্ট্রনায়ক, তাদের জীবনী হচ্ছে বায়োগ্রাফি। সো their life, the event of their life, their education, their childhood, those will be given in biography. Will be given only 8 sentences, so they will not be that much vast information, but we need to be careful of some information. So in case of biography, we will what will be used? Find out the full name, that is full name at the very first sentence. In case of biography, at the very first sentence, full name of that person will be given. How? See, it will be, if it is Rabindranath Tagore, if it is Rabindranath Tagore, so at the very beginning, at the very first sentence, they will be used Rabindranath Tagore. So first you will find out the sentence where this full name will be used, and in the next sentence it can be used only Tagore, or they will be used, or there it will be used the pronoun of this Tagore. What is he? Pronoun of he, Tagore. So at the very beginning of the sentence, first sentence, Rabindranath Tagore, the full name will be used, and then in second sentence they can use the last name Tagore, and from the next sentence they will be used pronoun. So you have to find out that sentence where Rabindranath Tagore is written. In another thing, that is, there will be used year, shal, that is date of birth of Rabindranath Tagore, and then his education life, and then his going abroad, then his achievement. In case of biography, this term will be focused and the year will also be used. So you will go through the sequence, that is Rabindranath Tagore, his childhood, his education life, and then his achievement, then his publication. In case of writer, you will go through his publication, and then if he is dead, then his date of death. Those will be used in case of biography. Then historical event. In case of historical event, the event name of the event will be used. You will find out the name of the event, and then the year of the event. কোন সালে ঘটনাটা ঘটেছে এই সালটা আমাদের দেওয়া থাকবে, and then sequentially সেই সাল থেকে পরবর্তীতে সিকোয়েন্সিয়ালি চলে আসবে, একটার পর একটা পর্যায়ক্রমে ঘটনা ঘটতে থাকবে, সেই সাল অনুযায়ী দেখে আমরা সেন্টেন্সগুলো মিলাবো। ইফ ইট ইজ অ্যাবাউট আওয়ার লিবারেশন ওয়ার, সাপোজ liberation war of Bangladesh, then the first division of Indian subcontinent, that is 1947, then the term of language movement 1952, and then some other terms will also come, 1956, that is general election, then 1966 or something, where then it will become some event. Then 1970 another election, 1971, then last the liberation war. You will follow this year. And then story. In case of story, the term is used in case of any story, there will be used, that is once or once upon a time, or there was অথবা where. These will be the phrases or the word will be used at the very beginning of the sentence in case of story. Okay, so following this word or following some clues, you can write down or you can correct the sequence of the rearrangement, you can arrange the sentences properly, and you can carry a good mark. Okay, so no more today. Wish you all the best. See you in our next class. Allah Hafiz.